Hi everyone, welcome to my class. I'm Mrs. Evangeline L. Santos, grade 60 elite teacher at Tangam Elementary School, San Pedro District, Division of Laguna. In this video, I'll show you how to make Skinless Longganisa, one of the most essential learning competency in TLE Home Economics and Food Preservation. Let us have a review first. What is food preservation? Food preservation is the process of preparing food for future consumptions by preventing its spoilage and return the nutritive value, natural color, and texture of the food. There are different ways of preserving food. We have drying, cooling and freezing, adding preservatives, fermentation, boiling or sterilizing, and canning. Longganisa is one of the favorite food of Filipinos on their table. It is traditionally eaten during breakfast along with sinangag, tocino, and egg. Longganisa typically made with varying ratios of lean meat and fat, along with garlic, black pepper, salt, and brown sugar. You can also add paprika, chili, and other spices. Here are the tools and equipments we will use. Excited na ba kayo? Let's start! Remember, in the food preparation, it's important to wash our hands first. Here are the ingredients for our skinless longganisa. 1 kilogram pork, 3/4 cup brown sugar, anato seed or achuete soaked in hot water, 4 teaspoons salt, 4 tablespoons cornstarch, 4 tablespoons soy sauce, 4 teaspoons sweet paprika, optional kahit po wala, 1 cloves garlic sliced thinly, 4 teaspoon ground black pepper, and 3/4 cup water. Combine all the ingredients. To enhance the color of my longganisa, I use anato seed. You can buy it in any grocery stores or supermarket. Do not use food color. And to separate the liquid from the solid part, I use sieve or salaan. Mix all the ingredients using a wooden spoon, pwede din kamay, but be sure nagugas kayo or nakasuot kayo ng plastic gloves. Cover it with cling wrap or any clean plastic and chill for an hour in the refrigerator. After an hour, you can now repack your homemade longganisa. Para pare-pareho ang sukat o timbang, you can use digital scale, tablespoon, or measuring cup. And then, ilagay lahat ng wrapped longganisa sa isang clear plastic. Lagay nyo rin siya ng label kung nais nitong gawing negosyo. To seal it, you can use electric sealer or stapler kung wala naman kayong electric sealer. Maganda po itong negosyo. Ayan na po ang nagawa nating homemade longganisa. Para sa pagluluto, remove it from the plastic. Add a little amount of cooking oil and cook in a low medium fire. Tcharam! Our delicious skinless longganisa. Tingin pa lang masarap na. Paano na pag tinikman pa? Tikman natin. Ang sarap! Thank you for watching. Hope you learned something. Bye!